Well, hello! I want to thank you and sincerely congratulate you for your Funnel360 purchase. You have indeed made a very wise decision to get your hands on the cutting-edge marketing tools creator in the market. While waiting for your login details, I want to share something really special that I know will help you start making serious money with your great app builder within just a few days or weeks. I promise this will only take a few short minutes. With your Funnel360 purchase, you now have everything you need to create gorgeous marketing tools for your own business and for clients. We have included the full commercial rights, giving you the permission to sell apps you build with it to third parties, and also included the white label agency rights too, which allows you to sell the apps you brand with the Funnel360 under your own corporate brand name and logo. However, to make money with the Funnel360 marketing tools creation software, you will need to market the web pages, funnels, videos, or graphics you create with it to prospects in the marketplace. It's like getting an amazing machine that will help you build beautiful commercial properties. But unless you plan to live in those houses by yourself, you will need to know how to get buyers to buy the properties from you at a profit, right? Well, it's the same thing with Funnel360 marketing tool creation software. Your unlimited license to the Funnel360 software will definitely help you build amazing web pages, sales funnels, explainer videos, and custom graphics like a boss, literally within minutes. But unless you are just building the apps for your own personal business, you'll still need to know how to market and sell those beautiful apps in order to make good money in the exploding marketing tools creation market. That's why you need the Complete Consultant Marketing Toolkit to help you speed up your success as a professional marketing tools creator. With the Complete Consulting Kit, you will have everything you need to market your marketing tools creation business like a pro and rake in thousands of dollars every month. With over 11 marketing pieces included in Marketing Tools Consulting Kit, you will get local business owners to pay you hundreds and even thousands of dollars again and again for the marketing tools creations that would take you less than an hour to create. Here's what you'll be getting with the Complete Marketing Tools Consultant Toolkit, only available right here and right now on this page only. First, you get your own consulting agency website with preloaded portfolio content you can install in just minutes. Second, you get your own complete marketing funnel to turn prospects into buyers. This marketing funnel includes an opt-in page, a landing page, a thank you page, and 6 email follow-up sequence for your autoresponder to keep marketing to your prospects. Third, professionally designed, ready-to-go proposal templates to start closing business clients today. Fourth, you get high-converting professional PowerPoint presentation templates to help you make presentations to your prospects and customers like a boss. Fifth, ready-made animated video commercial to market your business. Sixth, professionally written email follow-up swipes. Seventh, proven telemarketing scripts to successfully convert prospects into customers. Eighth, jaw-dropping customizable consultant brochures, sample letterhead designs, business card templates, and other marketing materials. Ninth, sample marketing tools contract legal agreement prepared by a senior partner in a USA law firm to ensure your rights as a consultant are protected and clear to your prospects. This not only sets you apart as a serious professional, but it clarifies the terms of the contract for you and your clients in a way that would avoid future misunderstanding. 10th, social media marketing graphic templates and sample posts. You need these to effectively take your game to the social media networks. 11th, complete step-by-step video training and setup guide to help you set everything up yourself without a hitch, or if you really don't want to bother with setting anything up, you can simply choose the Consultant Kit Pro option, and we will even install everything for you within 48 hours of your purchase. Seriously, if you are planning to start or maintain a profitable marketing tools consulting business, then this toolkit is a must-have for you because it empowers you to start your very own profitable marketing tools creation consultancy agency within the next 48 hours. And you can start taking your share of the billion-dollar-a-month marketing tools creation industry. Now, if we were to add up everything included in this marketing toolkit package, the total value of the package would be well over $3,500. But for a very limited time on this page only, You're getting all huge materials to guarantee your success as a marketing tools consultant with a combined value of over $3,500 for a very little amount shown below. Simply click the button below and secure your passport to success as an e-business consultant today. Now you can combine the comprehensive consultant package with your Funnel360 software into a money-making machine. You build amazing progressive web apps with one and market those apps with the other using these powerful tools included in the Consultant Marketing Kit. This is a money-guzzling combo that you can't afford to pass up. You won't need to worry about the hassle of trying to build a website to sell your marketing tools business anymore. You won't have to worry about building a converting sales funnel either, or paying thousands of dollars to get one done for you by a real professional. You won't have to worry about crafting winning presentation materials to woo your clients or pay designers to design your marketing materials for you. You won't even have to pay any expensive attorney's fees to get legal documents that you need to run a successful business. You will get everything handed over to you for a limited time for one ridiculously low price. This is a special one-time offer, and you will never get another opportunity to get this amazing consultant package again for such a small price. So, take action now and get the complete Funnel360 consultant marketing package you need to have your own money-making marketing tools creation consultancy business.